So here today I've got a fg110 Honda tiller, and I went to start it up for the wife a few days ago, and it would not stay running. And I diagnosed the problem, ended up being the carburetor was plugged up, so I brought it down to the shop and tore it apart, put it back together. As you can see, it does prime, but the diaphragm gasket did not survive, so it leaks a little bit. So it kind of run, but not really. It was sucking air. And instead of wrecking it, I went online and I found this carburetor, which appears to be exactly the same, like stamping, screws. I haven't checked. Oh, this one has a part number on part of it. But it also came with this fuel filter. I've got the gas tank off. I'm going to clean it out. As you can see in there, it's pretty grummy. It came with some of this fuel line. I don't like using this, anything that's this clear color. Your gas line should be nice, super soft. This won't get as hard, as fast. This, you put it on this year, and it will be hard next year. This is a vinyl line. It's not truly a fuel line. But it does work, but it'll get hard and leak air through. So there's a little beast. I'll make another video when I'm done.